Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And right now we're taking a look out at Klamath Falls and seeing a little bit of snow on the ground. And as we're moving through the rest of the week, I should say, we're expecting snow to move back in tomorrow, but still dealing with that chance of showers as we're moving throughout the day. Mainly those chances are sticking down into Northern California and a few areas east of the Cascades. The rest of us are mainly in the clear, just a slight chance as we're heading through the afternoon. Now here's an update to what I was talking about in our last weather. I said to watch out east of the Cascades, and now we do have a wind advisory issue that's starting from 4 p.m. on Friday until 7 a.m. We can expect winds, especially in those higher elevations, up to about 65 miles per hour. And as we're heading over into the Rogue Valley, areas near Ashland, Talent, and Medford, expect possibly your wind gusts to get up to about 50 miles per hour, and that's from tomorrow morning until 10 p.m. on Friday. Now heading back now to our high wind warning, we did get an upgrade. This is from 7 a.m. tomorrow until 7 p.m. along the coast. That's where you can expect wind gusts up to about 70 miles per hour out of the south. And as we're heading down to the Shasta Valley, areas from Wairika to Weed can possibly expect those gusts up to 60 miles per hour as we're moving through the day. Now we're expecting quite a bit of rain to be moving through with this next system moving in tomorrow. As we're heading over towards the coast and down into Siskiyou County, this is where we're expecting a lot of those heavier amounts of precipitation, possibly in some areas even up to about 4 inches along the coast. And as we're heading down into Northern California, also expecting quite a bit of snow, especially as we are heading down in towards the Mount Shasta area, even some areas possibly getting up to about 28 inches or even more as we are moving through Friday night into Saturday. But taking a closer look at when we can expect a lot of this rain to move through, well, tomorrow morning when we're waking up together, you'll see a lot of that rain begin to push in along the coast. Now as we head into the later hours of the day, that'll begin to move its way in. Definitely do expect it to pick up as we're heading later into the afternoon into Northern California. Lighter precipitation, still moderate at times as we're heading over east of the Cascades, but it really will begin to pick up as we head into those overnight hours. Again, taking a look at all of this yellow area over here along the coast and then down into Siskiyou County. Still dealing with that winter storm watch as well as we're heading into tomorrow. That is going to last from 4 p.m. on Friday until Saturday. But let's go ahead and take a look at your 7-day forecast for the coast. Windy conditions with this next system moving through. Rain is going to be likely as we are moving through the next few days over into Northern California. Also expect those winds to pick up. Travel will be difficult, especially traveling along the I-5 as we're heading Friday into Saturday. Over into the Klamath Basin, expect windy conditions as well. Now we're dealing with that wind advisory. Over into the mountains, also expect very windy conditions as you're driving along the pass and possibly at times heavy snow. And finally back over into the Rogue Valley. Rain will be likely as we're moving through the rest of the weekend.